Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about how to plant a staghorn fern. Now, in order to know how to plant it, you got to figure out what the environment is like, where it's grown. So now you got to remember they grow in tropical areas, right from where two trees meet, right at the V. They'll just start growing naturally in that area. So you've got to try to recreate that same kind of environment. So they need lots of moisture. They don't want direct sun. They're in the canopy. They want really, really warm shade that's really, really humid. So you've got to recreate it. So basically what you need is some moss, a fern, and some bark. And so basically you can wire it in or find two pieces of wood that meet in a V. And basically you just set the moss, keep it really moist, get your ball or your the root from the staghorn, and you just cover it with moss, and then you just wire it or glue it right onto some bark. So you can use any kind of bark. Usually don't go with any kind of a pine. It's better to go with an oak or a birch or some other kind of tree, because sometimes, especially a cedar, can actually kill the staghorn fern. So you want to keep it misted really well, and you might want to get a bigger piece of bark as the staghorn gets bigger, but you need to wire it, and you can either hang it from a tree or hang it from your patio or keep it up in the air, and then it'll grow and do really well. Make sure and keep it really moist though, because it's from a tropical forest, and never let it go below about 50-60 degrees or you're going to lose it. But staghorn ferns are a really pretty addition to your exotic garden.